بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamualaikum students, today I will teach you decreasing order, lecture number 15, page 20. Take out books and open page 20. Decreasing order. Look at the boy. He is doing an activity in this picture. Look at the first one picture. The name of the boy is Rehan. Rehan has the tower of coins. Look at the tower of coins. He is decreasing one coin from the tower. In second picture, he decreases a lot of coins from the tower. In third picture, he is decreasing more, and in fourth picture he decreases the tower and he has less coins in the tower now. Look at here. As Rehan is putting down the coins from the coins tower again and again, the size of coins tower decreases. So decrease means to get smaller from larger. Students, in the picture the tower of the coin is decreasing in the pictures. In the first one he decreases just one. In the second picture he decreases more. In the third picture he decreasing more, and in the fourth picture the tower of the coins is little smaller, very smaller. It becomes smaller. Now it means going from larger to smaller mean decreases. When something becomes smaller from larger, it means it decreases. It is called decreasing order. Take out page 21 and look at example 19. Arrange the following number in decreasing order. We have 214, 168, 662, 381, 649, 214, 139 and 124. These are unarranged numbers. We will arrange it in decreasing order. In decreasing order, the numbers also can repeat. It can repeat. Now look here. First of all, we will look to the hundreds place value of each number. We will find the greatest number first. Now look at the hundreds place value. In 100 place value there is 2, 1, 6, 3, 6, 2, 1 and 1. So the greater number in 100 place value is 6. We will compare both the numbers. 649 is greater than 662 is greater than 649. Therefore, we will write 662 first, then 649. After 600, we will search another greater number, which is 2 in hundreds place value. 214 and 214. Look at students, in decreasing order, the numbers can repeat So we have the number 214 which repeats here. But before 214 we have the smaller number 381. We will write here 381. Then 214, again 214. We will repeat it. And then we will write here 168, and then 139, and 144. 24 is the smallest number. So we arrange these numbers in descending order. It means in decreasing order, but in decreasing order 214 is repeating. Look at example 20. Arrange the following numbers in decreasing order. Again we have two parts. As we had two parts in ascending order, same like this we have two parts in descending order. We will solve it here. Look at the numbers. First of all, you will check the hundreds place value. You will find the greater number first, and look here 532112853. We have the larger number in hundreds place value, that is 8. So we will write 843 first. Then another larger number in hundred place value is 5. Therefore 88 is greater. 588 we will keep here. Then 561. After 500 we will search the other numbers smaller than 500, which is 4. We have not any number in 400. After 561 is 348, then 314, then 249. Look students, here 249 is repeating number, and another one number is 118. It is also repeating. Look at part B. 684 is the greater number. After 684 is 589, and then the three numbers are in 100 place value is 3. Therefore we will compare the three numbers. 381 is greater, and both the same numbers. 331 is less than 381. Therefore we will write first 381, then 331, and the number 331 is repeating again here. Students, look at example number 21. Example 21 is same like example 19, 20 and 18. Ahmad wants to arrange the following numbers in increasing and decreasing order. Help Ahmad to arrange these numbers. Students, we have some numbers, but we will write in the boxes in increasing order and then in decreasing order. Therefore, first of all, look at the numbers. We have 145. It is 3-digit number. 95, 2-digit number. 32 is 2-digit number. 87 is 2-digit number. 193 is 3-digit number. 200 is also in 3-digit number. 13 is 2-digit number. 113 3-digit number. 87 is 2-digit number, and 193 is also 3-digit number. Students, you will take care of hundreds place value, tens and ones. Now look at this increasing order. In increasing order, we will start from the lowest number. So search. 13 is the lowest number, smallest number, so we will write here 13 first. After 13 is 32, then 87. Students, in increasing and decreasing order, the number is repeating. Therefore, 87 is repeating here. 95, then 113, then 145, then 193. Again 193 is repeating here, and the largest number is 200. Look student, both the orders, increasing and decreasing orders, is like ascending descending order, but the difference is just the repeating numbers. Look at decreasing order. We will start from the largest number. Write 200, then 193, then 193 again repeated, then 145, then 113, then 95, then 87, then 87, 32, and the smallest number will come in the last, that is 13. Okay dear student, it's the time of homework. Your homework is to complete the blanks in book, page 19, page 20 and page 21. I hope you will write neatly in your books. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.